In aeronautics, loss of control is the unintended departure of an aircraft from controlled flight. Loss of control may be the result of mechanical failure, external disturbances, aircraft upset conditions, or inappropriate crew actions or responses. In an emergency requiring immediate action, the remote pilot in command may deviate from FAR 91 or FAR 107 respectively to the extent required to meet the emergency. A flight crew's failure to correctly accomplish all immediate action items can result in a threat to continued safe flight. Immediate action items are those items accomplished from memory by crew members in emergency situations. While flying the Ranger X7, if you experience any divergence from controlled flight, complete the following immediate actions in order. If flying in an automatic flight mode, human tracking, palm control, tracking, etc., turn off and fly the drone manually. Verify the drone has full GPS satellites and is on. If GPS is off, select on. Verify drone is operating in low speed mode. If low speed mode is off, select on. If the drone is still uncontrollable at this point, land as soon as possible or initiate emergency descent as required.